Hi guys, this is the class 5 of SEO full course. In this class, I will show what is on-page SEO and why it is important and key elements of on-page SEO. At first, we know what is on-page SEO. On-page SEO, that means on-site SEO. It is the practice of optimizing your website individually. You optimize your web pages and that help improve your website visibility or ranking in the search engine result pages such as charts, charts in Google or another search engine. Google show us websites, some websites, and we can control it. This on-page SEO, on-page SEO, we can uh, control directly from our website. Why it is important? It is important because user experience is very important. This is the key ranking factor for our website, and we can directly control from our website. This on-page SEO help us drive organic traffic. Key elements of on-page SEO. This is the basic things of on-page SEO. At first, this is title tag. What is title tag? This is title tag. Shirts the best men's shirt brand in Bangladesh. This is title tag, and this is full of keyword. And you can say it is also a door of your website. If it is optimized properly, then search engine will show us in front of them. Then meta description. What is meta description? Meta description is this summary is called meta description. This summary is called meta description. This is full of keyword. Heading 1 to heading 6. What is it? Heading 1. In a website, we can optimize in heading 1 to heading 6. Heading 1 is used only one time in your website, but heading 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 use more and more times. And focus keywords will keep in heading 1. Focus keyword or primary keyword we will keep in heading 1. And secondary keyword we will keep 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tag. Heading tag. Heading 1. Heading 6. Heading 1 we can keep only one times in your website. In heading 1 we will keep our focus keyword. Focus or primary. Focus or primary keyword. Okay. Heading 2. Heading 2 will keep secondary keyword. We can keep it in several times, secondary keyword, but primary keyword, focus keyword, we will keep only in heading 1. In this way, we will keep our content. Primary keyword. Best running shoes for beginners. This is our focus keyword. And secondary word, it may be why it is important for beginners. Secondary keywords. And heading 3, it may be one of the point, one of the point of important. Why it is important for beginners? Its subheading will be heading 3. In this way, we can place our keyword in a content. Then we go to the URL structure. What is it? URL structure. URL structure will be simple and short. This home page and collection and charts. This will be short and simple. And content quality. Content will be short, relevant, and content will be helpful for your users and relevant and unique. Keyword placement, we already discussed about it. Keyword placement, where your keyword will be placed. Focus or primary keyword, heading 1, and heading 2 will be secondary keyword. Heading 3 under this keyword, heading 3. In this way, we optimize our content, keyword placement. And then we will go to internal linking. What is it? What is internal linking? Well, internal linking is link with one page to other pages. Same website. One page with other pages in a same website. This is called internal linking. This link is another page of same website. It may be navigation menu. This is and this URL, this is linked with another page of same website. You can show this under here left side. This is called internal linking. Image optimization. What is it? What is image optimization? Image optimization. Now we go to a image optimization and charts. When we write some keyword or something in search engine, Google shows our some website with image, or we can get more images. This option, click here, images, and we can show more. This image, click here, and right click on this image and save images. Click, rename it, then save. Right click here, properties, then click details, then use title tag. In title tag, we will keep our focus keyword or primary keyword. Down green shirt. Down green shirts. This is our focus keyword. We will keep this in title. copy, and we will keep this keyword in subject, then paste, and then rating. We 5-star rating and tag. One or more tag we will use. Then another tag shirt. It may be green shirt, only green shirt. Copyright. Website URL. This URL, paste it here, and then apply and OK. We will optimize this shirt. This image, we will optimize this image in this way. Keep this cursor and show this tag, rating, dimension, size, and title down green shirts. You can optimize in this way. Image optimization. We already see this image optimization. Mobile friendliness and page speed. Now we go to the page speed insight. Page speed inside this website. Click here and keep our website URL. Copy and paste it. Analyze. And this result will show mobile or desktop. Both we can see from here. And discover 4 web vitals assessment passed. Green. And it will take time to diagnose performance issue. Performance 53, accessibility 74, best practices 96, and SEO 92. Green mark. Good. Performance 53. Score, it will show us its score 9 to 100. Green. Better. This is best, better, and this is not good. This sign, we will remove this sign. First, contentful paint. If your website have contentful paint, this as first contentful image, and largest contentful paint 22.5 seconds it will take open or load it. Total blogging time 210 millisecond. This is good. Speed index 8.3s. We will remove this problem, this sign. You have to remove this sign problems. Then your page speed, mobile friendliness will be improved. This is very basic part of on-page SEO. If this video or content is useful, then like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you next.